yeah, so I just want to give you a little food for thought before we go on our trip here. We're about to head out. We're here at the office, and we got the guys meeting up. We're gonna load up the truck. You can see big boy over there. Just checking on the trailer over here, our dump trailer. When you're out there all alone and you're knocking doors and you're trying to ask clients to let you take care of their property for $100, $200, whatever it is, it gets a little scary out there, man, you know? And all you can think about in those moments is, how am I gonna pay for my rent? Or how am I gonna afford to eat today? Or how am I gonna go to McDonald's, right? Am I gonna get the single cheeseburger, or am I gonna get the double cheeseburger? Am I gonna get the chicken sandwich, or am I gonna get the fucking chicken nuggets, right? Or am I gonna get ice cream with that, or am I not gonna get ice cream with that, right? So it all, when you're in the mess, you can't see times like this that are about to happen that are around the corner, okay? We've been in business for almost 3 years now, okay? And could I told you that 3 years ago, this is where we were gonna end up at? This is what we were gonna be doing? No, not at all. But you know what? We've come a long way, okay? We have a lot of accounts. We do a lot of business. I mean, this client of ours, okay, I come from doing $100 cleanings at people's houses, you know, windows, solar, whatever it is, $200, $300 here and there. I never would have thought that I would be doing some brand new $100 million construction contract, right? Obviously, I'm not getting $100 million, but I'm a part of it, right? And these people would be paying me X amount of money to get driven out there, stay in a hotel or Airbnb, whatever, them take care of it for us, and make enough money for us to be able to go on the trip, pay for the trip, and make enough money with the profit to come back with, you know, get a 60-foot boom lift, because this is a seven-story building, have the equipment necessary to do the job, and be successful, okay? When you're in it and you're struggling, okay, you don't think straight. So don't listen to yourself while you're out there, you know, trying to build your business, or you're trying to see the other side, okay? Don't listen to yourself, man. Know that I told you, or tell yourself, okay, that this is temporary, okay? Whatever it is that you're going through on your own out there is temporary. And you don't have to worry, okay? You're gonna worry, trust me, you're gonna. Worrying is part of it, all right? But try not to, man. You gotta push past it, because when you're in it, you're worried. When you're out of it, everything seems beautiful. When you get to the other side, it's beautiful, okay? But you can't get to the other side if you're constantly consumed with, like, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna get here? How am I gonna pay for this? How am I gonna do that? It takes a strong individual to not worry about these things. And that's why, you know, they say entrepreneurship or business, small business even, is a hard thing to do, okay? It really is. And look, I'm not big time, okay? I'm not huge. I'm on my way though, man. Okay, I figured it out. I've cracked the code, okay? If you're okay with making $30,000 a year, $40,000 a year at your job, okay, don't even listen to me, man. Stop, don't turn the camera off, okay? But if you want to make $500,000 a year, okay, you want to make $250,000 a year, you want to make $300,000 a year, you want to make $100,000 a year, you want to make $1 million a year, okay? Now look, of course that's not big time to where you're $100 million, but that's where it all starts, okay? It starts somewhere, okay? You can't sometimes go from $20,000 a year to making $10 million a year, okay? You know, you gotta 10x this shit, okay? Like good old GC says, Grant Cardone, you gotta 10x this shit. And I agree with that motherfucker. I like that fool. That guy is sick, okay? Like, he's taking my life to the next level. I listen to that full shit. I read his 10x books. I fuck with this shit, okay? Let's just be real. But if you want to go to the next level, okay? You gotta start somewhere. You gotta start whether it's at 20 grand or you need to go to 50 grand. Then you need to go to 100 grand. Then you need to go to 200 grand, then 300, then 400, then 500, okay? Look, all it is it's like the Matrix, okay? Your life's like the fucking Matrix, okay? Right now, you think everything's fucking impossible, okay? You really do. You think everything's impossible. You think, well, John, right now I only make 20 grand a year, or I make 30 grand a year, 2 grand a month, okay? How am I gonna make 250 grand a year? How am I gonna make 100 grand a year, okay? You don't figure it out. It doesn't work that way, okay? You get in it, you commit first, then you figure it out, okay? First, start making 20 grand a year, okay? Don't be bitching about how you don't like fucking mowing grass or fucking you want to be some badass, you know, fucking real estate investor or some fucking bullshit, okay? Don't worry about that shit, okay? You need to figure it out now, not later. You need to commit first, then figure it out later, okay? It's not about figuring it all out right now. You're gonna figure it out later, okay? What's up, bro? So that's what I'm trying to say to you right now. Don't try to figure it out now. Figure it out later. Okay, commit first. Say, hey, I'm gonna go from 20 grand a year to 100 grand a year. I'm gonna go from 100 grand a year to 250 grand a year. Then I'm gonna go from 250 grand a year and I'm gonna make $1 million. Okay? Keep it simple, guys. Okay? Stop making this shit so complicated. Entrepreneurship is easy, bro, if you can figure this shit out. Okay? Stop worrying all the time. Stop stressing yourself out. Stop being fucking entitled. Okay? Stop thinking you deserve some better shit. Stop thinking that fucking you don't want to make 50 grand a year mowing lawns, yet you want to be a fucking real estate investor. Okay? How are you going to be a fucking real estate investor if you can't commit to making 50 grand a year mowing lawns? Okay, motherfucker, you need to start somewhere. Okay? You need to start somewhere, and you need to start now. Okay? That is the biggest problem with all you people. You don't start. You say you want to do something, but you don't fucking do it. Okay? Now look, I'm not trying to be an asshole. I'm not trying to get in your face or nothing like that. Who am I to fucking tell you who you are or what you are? Okay? Like that's not what I'm trying to say here. Okay? Like I think what it really comes down to is I'm a high school dropout. Okay? I was a drug addict in high school. Okay? I failed my way through life. Okay? And when I hit of age, I made a decision to make things happen, okay? I made a decision when I turned 18 years old, okay? I had no daddy trying to support me or take care of me or none of this bullshit. I fucking committed. I committed first and I figured it out later. And here we are 10 years later. This is my second business now. My first business, I did really well. But you know what? Things happen and I had to switch it up and start all over again, okay? So here's the situation, okay? Commit first, figure it out later. Okay, don't worry about what you're in right now. Okay, worry about what it can be. And just remember, I didn't know that 10 years ago, okay, not even 10 years ago, 2 years ago, that this business was going to be what it was going to be. Okay, I did not know. Okay, but I stressed about it, but I saw bigger. I thought with the end of the mind. Okay, so now we get to go on a trip, make some money, and build our company. So, what's up, Christopher Reed? What's up, bro? So, I gotta get going, okay? All my guys are showing up, and we're about to go on this trip, and you know, I just wanted to send this message. I felt it in the heart, okay? And there's gonna be a lot more of these messages coming your way. I feel like I need to give back to you guys, okay? Because God, He blessed me. He blessed me, man. Life's tough, dude. Life's tough, and I know a lot of you guys are feeling it, okay? I know you guys are feeling it. I know you're hurting, okay? I know you need purpose in your life. I know you need to overcome shit, okay? I know, okay? I've been there, man. I've been there. I feel you, okay? I feel you very, very much, okay? So This video, this podcast, what we're doing, this vlog, okay, call it what you want, is to help inspiring entrepreneurs like yourself, people that want to break out of the matrix, okay, people that like you that are stuck in your mind, okay, and maybe you want to do great things, maybe you're destined to do great things, okay, but you just haven't figured it out yet, okay, and someone like myself, okay, I haven't figured it all out yet, right, but I'm in it. I'm in the trenches right now, man. I'm digging, you know, I'm in the trenches and I'm getting success and I'm winning, okay? So who are you gonna listen to? You're gonna listen to your family that says, oh, that guy's fucking stupid. He's crazy. He's probably never done nothing in his life. Or you're gonna listen to the guy that's got 10 years experience building businesses and fucking is still in the trenches with you right now, okay? Or you're gonna listen to the guy that's worth $100 million, okay? And he's doing $100 million moves, okay? This guy's doing $100 million moves, $1 billion moves, okay? Listen to them, okay? Follow their direction, but don't do what they say, do what they do, okay? Because look, they're on a different level, man. They're out here, okay? They're on a totally different level, okay? They're doing $100 million moves, okay? You need to be doing $50,000 moves, $10,000 moves. Maybe it's just a $500 move, okay? But you need to be making moves, okay? And what I'm gonna teach you is your psychology, okay? Because this is 80% psychology, 20% mechanics, okay? Like my boy Tony Robbins says, okay? That guy's a genius. If you haven't checked him out, listen to that guy. That guy's a genius. Figure out the fucking emotional side, the psychology side, then figure out the mechanics, okay? I'm gonna teach you all this stuff for free, man. Who the fuck? Man, who is teaching you this shit for free? I'm teaching you this shit for free. I'm hooking you up, okay? I'm plugging you in, okay? I'm gonna make sure that you know what is necessary to succeed in life or have purpose in your life, okay? Have something more meaningful in your life than just what you're doing right now, okay? Because maybe it's not enough. Maybe what you're doing right now is not enough for you, okay? Maybe it is, I don't know. But you know what? I know there's a little birdie in the back of your head that's always telling you, I could do more. I want to do more. I want to do more with my life, okay? And I can help you with that, okay? I know I've been through it all, man, okay? Been through it all, okay? I guess some people would call me a seasoned veteran, but I'm not a seasoned veteran, but I'm in the trenches, bro, okay? And you're gonna see me. You're gonna see me fucking take over. You're gonna see me build this company, and I'm about to go unload my truck because I gotta get the hell up out of here, man, okay? So you guys take it easy, okay? Get your shit grinding, get out there, get your money, okay? Figure out your shit, okay? Thank you, bye.